find a set of 2 black keys. Underneath there are 3 white keys, and the first one is a C, next one is a D, and next one is E. We're gonna use these 3 white keys to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Also, we're gonna learn how to read music easily. Place our finger number 1 on first white key and number 2 next, 3, 4, 5. Let's play E, D, C, D. E, D, C, D, and then E 3 times, and D 3 times, and E 3 times again, and E, D, C, D, and this time E 4 times, and D 2 times, and then E, D, C. In piano music, you're gonna see 5 lines on the top and 5 lines on the bottom. And do you remember what we call these lines? A staff. And between these 2 staffs, there's a big space, and C and D is in this space. So C, we draw round and line in the middle. And that's a C. And D is also in this space, but closer to the line. And D. And E is on this line 1. And that's a E. Line 1. We can also read the notes by the directions. This is the first part of Mary Had a Little Lamb. And first note of this song is, yes, you're right, this is E because it sits on line 1. So once you know this note, you just follow the directions. So E, and then is this going down or going up, or stay the same? It's going down, and then it goes up, and then what? Yeah, they are staying the same, and then going down and stay the same, and then going up and stay the same. Now let's continue to play. We're gonna play same E, and then we're gonna go down. So even though you don't know next note, you just follow the direction. And then we go up, and we stay the same. And we go down and stay the same, go up and down, down. Was this beginner piano lesson helpful for your child? If so, I'd love to invite you to my free program, 4-Day Intro to Piano. In this course, we focus on building good piano hands, learning rhythm through movement, finding piano keys, and reading music both by note names and by direction on the staff. You can find the link to join in the pinned comment below.